Assalomu alaykum, hurmatli va qimmatli kanalimiz a'zolari. Arabjon Education kanalining navbatdagi darsiga xush kelibsiz. O'tgan darsda sizlar bilan 3-unitni boshlaganmiz. Kasblar to'g'risida o'rgandik. Inkor gaplar tuzishni o'rgandik hamda so'roq gaplar tuzishni ham o'rgandik. What va where bilan. Bundan tashqari profile anketa bilan ishlashni ham qisman o'rgandik. Endi bugungi darsimiz o'ylaymanki sizlar berilgan izohdagi uyga vazifalarni bajargansizlar. Undan tashqari yangi so'zlarni ham tarjimalarini topib yodlagansizlar. Chunki ularni o'rganmasdan darslarni oson o'zlashtirish qiyin. Yangi so'zlar kerak bo'ladi albatta. Endi bugungi darsimizda yana shu 3-unitni davomini o'rganamiz. Daftar, ruchka, kitob. Kitob menimcha agar topsanglar kitob ham qo'ygan o'quv darsimizga kerak bo'ladigan narsalarni tayyorlab, sheriklar bilan birgalikda darsimizni boshlaymiz. Xo'p. Birinchi maqsadimiz. E'tibor qaratinglar mana doskaga. Look at the picture. Who are the people? Kim ekan bular? Kimlar ko'ryapsizlar doskada? Interviewer. They are young men, like boys, and a woman. Ayol kishini ko'ryapmiz. Their names are, his name is Edson, one of them. His name is Bo. His name is Ronan. His name is Paul. His name is Donnie. O'tgan mavzumizga oid. Shaklda gap tuzyapman-da. Shunaqa deb javob berishinglar kerak edi savollarga. Who are the people degan ekan. They are musical band desang ham bo'ladi. Qanaqadir musiqiy guruhga ham o'xshayapti. Metro 5. Qani endi hozir audition interview. The audition interviewni eshitamiz. Intervyu olyapti bulardan. Qanaqadir musiqiy tadbir uchun. Pastda intervyuni ham ko'ryapsizlar mana. Intervyusini ham chiqarib qo'ydim. Eshitamiz va o'qiymiz. Marhamat.
Metro 5. The audition interview.
Hi, is this your band, Metro 5?
Yes, it is.
Great. And are you Donnie McNabb?
No, I'm not. I'm Paul McNabb. This is Donnie. He's my brother.
Oh, yes, sorry. Hi, Donnie. You're a builder from Scotland, right?
Well, yes, I am a builder, but I'm not from Scotland.
Oh, where are you from?
We're from Ireland.
Ah, are the other boys from Ireland too?
No, they aren't. They're all from different countries.
Oh, interesting. And are they all builders?
No, they aren't. Paul's a bus driver, and...
Yeah, I'm a bus driver, and Ronan's a nurse, and Bo and Edson are students.
Interesting. And Donnie, are you the singer in the band?
Yes, I am. Well, we're all singers.
Oh, right. Nice to meet you. Good luck to you all.
Thank you very much.
Mana eshitib chiqdik. Endi yana bir marta audioni qo'yaman, sizlar to'ldirasizlar endi bo'sh joylarni. Mana shu eshitgan so'zlarimizga qarab. Eshitish jarayonida tez-tez to'ldirib ketamiz. Boshladik, marhamat.
Metro 5. The audition interview.
Hi, is this your band, Metro 5?
Yes, it is.
Great. And are you Donnie McNabb?
No, I'm not. I'm Paul McNabb. This is Donnie. He's my brother.
Oh, yes, sorry. Hi, Donnie. You're a builder from Scotland, right?
Well, yes, I am a builder, but I'm not from Scotland.
Oh, where are you from?
We're from Ireland.
Ah, are the other boys from Ireland too?
No, they aren't. They're all from different countries.
Oh, interesting. And are they all builders?
No, they aren't. Paul's a bus driver, And
Yeah, I'm a bus driver, and Ronan's a nurse, and Bo and Edson are students.
Interesting. And Donny, are you the singer in the band?
yes, I am. Well, we're all singers.
Oh, right. Nice to meet you. Good luck to you all.
Thank you
Thanks.
very much.
Endi qanday bo'ldi to'ldirish javoblari? Mana javoblari. Doskalar turibdi. Mana shunday bo'lish kerak edi. Va bu oson. Bu yerda osmondan olmayapti narsalarni shu o'zimiz o'rgangan. Where are you from? Are you? To be fe'llarida shular tarzda qo'yilyapti. Xo'p. Tushundinglar degan umiddaman buni. Keyingi mashqimizga o'tamiz. Answer the questions about the band. Shu musiqiy guruhga oid savollarga javob beramiz. Savollar mana. What's the band's name? What's the band's name? Are Paul and Donny brothers? Are they from Scotland? Are the other boys from Ireland? Are they all builders? Are they all singers? Bu savollarga javobni eshitib tekshiramiz. Marhamat.
Questions and answers. 1.
What's the band's name?
Metro 5.
2.
Are Paul and Donny brothers?
Yes, they are.
3.
Are they from Scotland?
No, they aren't.
4.
Are the other boys from Ireland?
No, they aren't.
5.
Are they all builders?
No, they aren't.
6.
Are they all singers?
Yes, they are.
Ana eshitib tekshirdik. Endi practice qilamiz, ya'ni bir-biringlar bilan savol-javob qilamiz yana. Bitta savol berasiz, ikkinchi javob berasiz. Marhamat. Xo'p, endi grammatika bo'yicha qisqagina yana bitta ma'lumotni ko'rib chiqamiz. Qaranglar. Doskaga qaranglarsizlar, men kitobga qarayman. Negativ, inkor shakli. I'm not from Scotland. Bundagi I am bu I am ni qisqartmasi. They aren't from Ireland. Bundagi they aren't, they are not ning qisqartmasi. Short answers, qisqa javoblar. Are you from Scotland? Sen Shotlandiyadamisan? Yes, I am. Ha, shunday. Demak, ijobiy, bo'lishli javob berganda qisqarmayapti. Yes, I am. Yes, I am deb qo'ysanglar bo'lmaydi bu holatda. Albatta, yes, I am deb yozinglar. Inkor holatda bo'lsa, qisqartirilyapti. No, I'm not. Is this your band? Yes, it is. Qisqarmayapti. No, it isn't. Uni qisqaryapti. Are they from Ireland? Ular Irlandiyadanmi? Yes, they are. Qisqarmayapti. No, they aren't. Qisqartiryapti. Xuddi shunaqa bo'lsin sizlarga ham savollarga javob berganda. Masalan, are you from Uzbekistan? Yes, I am. Are you from Russia? No, I'm not. Are you a teacher? Are you 18 years old? Are you a football player? Tarzlar savollar berganda mana shu ko'rilgan ikkovlaridan bittasi bo'ladi javob. Endi 3 kishi bo'lib, agar sherigingiz bo'lmasa, hammasini o'zingiz bajarasiz. 2 kishi bo'lsanglar, bittanglar ikkita rolni bajarasizlar. Hozirgi o'rgangan mana bu dialogimizni instenorovka qilib amaliyotda bajaramiz. Shu savollarni berib, bir-birlarini savol-javob qilib bajaringlar. Endi keyingisi talking about you. O'zingiz haqingizda gapirish. Are you from Ireland? Agar rostdan Irlandiyadan bo'lsangiz, ha deysiz yoki yo'q deysiz. Are you a student? Are you a nurse? Masalan, are you a nurse desa, no, I'm not. Va to'g'risini aytasizlar. I'm a student. Are you married? Desa bunda ha yoki yo'q desa kifoya. Are the other students from Ireland? Are they married? Shu savollarga javob beringlar. Bugungi darsimizni shu joyda to'xtatamiz, chunki keyingi qismini o'tadigan bo'lsak, darsimiz cho'zilib ketadi. Shu joyda to'xtatamiz. Sizlarga vazifa bo'lib qoladi. Yangi so'zlarni yodlash hamda workbook qismidagi keyingi berilayotgan izohdagi mashqlarni bajarib kelish. Xayr, salomat bo'ling.